All right, in a big political scoop, Nitish Kumar is now all set to file his nomination for the Rajya Sabha, marking a significant shift in Bihar's politics. In his statement, he expressed gratitude to the people of Bihar for their trust and support towards him, which has enabled him, he said, to serve the state for over 2 decades. He also mentioned that his desire to become a member of both houses of the Bihar legislature and both houses of parliament and is now seeking to join the Rajya Sabha. The move has sparked speculation about the future of Bihar's leadership, with the BJP likely to claim the chief minister's post. Nitish Kumar's son, Nishant Kumar, is also expected to enter politics, potentially taking on a prominent role in the JDU. The BJP has announced its candidate for the Rajya Sabha elections, including Nitin Nabin and Shivesh Kumar. So this is the latest that we have. All right, I have my colleague Prakash with me on the phone line. Prakash, this is a big news. Now, we also would like to know more about Nishant Kumar. He is an engineer, is inclined towards spirituality, but now he's going to debut in Bihar by leading JDU. All right, seems like that we have lost the connection there, but this is a big political scoop, viewers, that we are getting you, as Nitish Kumar is all set to quit as Bihar Chief Minister, and he is going to be filing nominations for Rajya Sabha, in fact, and he has expressed his gratitude towards the people of Bihar for giving him the opportunity and supporting his journey throughout. Remember, he led Bihar government for over 2 decades. Last elections also, because of his integrity, he won the elections last year as well. You can see the visuals. Him and his son also ready to take on the helm of JDU and ready to lead the party. But we've already seen protests breaking out outside of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's. All right, let's play out the tweet that has been made by Nitish Kumar. Here you have it on your screens, where he is clearly expressing his support for the people of Bihar, and saying, extending in fact his appreciation for supporting him throughout his journey. He is all set to become Rajya Sabha member. Now remember, today is the last day, the deadline for filing nominations for Bihar, for Rajya Sabha elections, in fact. And he quits as Bihar Chief Minister, ready to start a new journey as the member of Rajya Sabha. He's very well known. All right, I have my colleague Prakash joining on here. All right, Prakash, this is a big news. Nitish Kumar ready to quit the position as Chief Minister of the state, and his son is now going to make a debut. All right, we'll try and connect back to him, but this is a political scoop, viewers. First from Republic, we are getting the information that Nitish Kumar, in fact, refused to continue as the Chief Minister of Bihar. Now, remember, last year when elections took place, everybody was talking about who is going to be the next Chief Minister of Bihar, and there were initial plans that he will remain in power as Chief Minister, will continue to keep his hold on the post for at least a year. But now we have Rajya Sabha nominations, which he is all set to file, and he has in fact quit as Bihar Chief Minister. Now, a new face from the BJP is likely to take over the government. Now, who will be leading the state from BJP is yet to be ascertained, but we have probable names. Among those, we have Samrat Chaudhary, Nityanand Rai. These are the probable names that we have. All right, connecting back to Prakash, to you. This is a big news. Now, Nitish Kumar is quitting from his position, and his son is going to make a debut. What more can you tell us about Nishant Kumar's debut?
Well, Nitish Kumar had already made up his mind, and we had broken the news today morning also that some of the family members and top JDU leaders tried to request him to stay on as Chief Minister, but he said that no, I have made up my mind. I've given a word to the BJP, and I've served Bihar for 20 long years, and my commitment for the development for Bihar is unwavering, and I'll be there to support and guide the new government. It means Now, after his tweet, it is clear that the new government will be formed, new chief minister will be at the helm of affairs, and most likely a BJP man would be the chief minister, with Nishant Kumar making a political debut. And what would be the role? Because Nitish Kumar has been stating the fact that till he is in politics, no one from his family members would enter politics. Had he wanted, Nishant would have become a member of parliament or a MLA or MLC for the past 25 years. But Nitish Kumar has always maintained this, and he kept family away from politics. And he maintained a high level of integrity and morality in politics, and that's what he is known for. So now, the onus is on the BJP. Who would be the next chief minister of Bihar from the BJP? Some of the names doing the rounds are Samrat Chaudhary, keeping in mind the Kushwaha vote bank. Nityanand Rai is also a front runner, and there are several other names, and BJP is known for making surprises. So you never know who would become the chief minister of Bihar. So, but with Nishant Kumar's entry into politics, the political future of the JDU would be safe, because keeping in mind the fragile health of the Nitish Kumar, the JDU was in tatters. Now with Nishant's entry, that whole composition which Nitish had carved out for the past 20 years of the EVC vote bank, the Query Kurmi Dhanu vote bank, would be saved for some time, keeping in mind also the fact that how Nishant Kumar manages to enter into politics, or is able to survive in politics.
Prakash,
so that's a $1 million question.
Absolutely. And we are also playing out visuals of JDU workers protesting outside of Nitish Kumar's residence, and also stopping a car of a JDU MLA. Now, clearly, these JDU workers are disgruntled and fearing that there will be a disintegration of the party. In fact, if he quits, which he has already done, what is the latest that you're picking up related to these protests that are taking place?
Nitish has been a tall figure, a very tall political leader as far as Bihar is concerned, and in the modern political history, he would be there as one of the top few leaders with a high level of integrity and morality. And yes, the JDU is synonymous to Nitish Kumar, and the JDU workers cannot digest the fact that Nitish will no longer be the chief minister. He's been the chief minister for 20 long years, imagine, and he's become a phenomenon in Bihar. So the people of Bihar, as well as the workers of the JDU, as well as the women voters, are not able to digest. So it will take time to sink in. And with Nishant Kumar's entry, sooner or later, the dust will settle down.
Prakash, what is the sentiment in the JDU workers, amongst the JDU workers, related to Nishant Kumar, now that he is going to lead the party?
Well, the JDU workers are upbeat as far as Nishant Kumar, but Nishant Kumar cannot be Nitish Kumar. Nitish Kumar is known for his administrative acumen, he's known for his morality, integrity, work ethics, and the kind of development he has done for Bihar. There cannot be another Nitish Kumar. It's the same way like Sachin Tendulkar's son could not be replicated. So Nitish Kumar had carved out a niche for himself. He was known for ruthlessness, good governance, rule of law. And we have seen Bihar, how Bihar has grown for the past 20 years. It was in tatters, in minus development. He brought Bihar on the path of development. And Bihar will remember him for several years, the kind of work he has done in Bihar, and with utmost integrity and honesty.
We are also hearing... in fact, we just played out the tweet that he has made, thanking the people of Bihar for extending support towards him for the past 20 years. So he clearly is absolutely appreciating whatever the love that the people of Bihar has given him. What more are we picking up from the ministers in the Bihar government? How are they reacting to this change?
Well, yes, this mandate that was given by the people of Bihar in the recently concluded assembly elections was in the name of Nitish Kumar. And it clearly manifested the fact that how Nitish was popular in Bihar. The vote was in the name of Nitish Kumar, and we could see that happening. There was a large sentiment in favor of Nitish Kumar. And for 20 long years, if you have the same sentiment, and if Nitish Kumar is going now, he's retiring on a high. And that's what we can say. And people of Bihar have given him a very warm send-off by giving him a landslide mandate, and now he's leaving the throne. You seldom find anybody leaving a throne like this and going away. So, yes, he's not been keeping well. That's also a matter of concern, and would have realized the fact that things may slip and his party may also become weak. So that is why he's stepping aside, and he will take care of his health and thereafter guide the political leaders of the party as well as his son to save the party and strengthen the party in future.
Absolutely, Prakash. And this is a decision that is solely being made by Nitish Kumar, is what we are hearing from all the leaders, in fact, so far, who have commented on this particular development. But we are also hearing that the last-ditch effort was made by his family members and also leaders from the party. What were they saying initially? All right. Seems like we have lost a connection, but ladies and gentlemen, this is a big move that has been made by Nitish Kumar, who is now quitting as the Chief Minister of Bihar. He has led the state for past 20 years, got into power every election, and in the last elections also in November, he fought the elections and was selected as the Chief Minister with a consensus of the coalition, the BJP and JDU. But now it's a big change in the Bihar government. How the people are going to react to this is to be known, because he is a loved figure, led Bihar for past 20 years, of course carried out a lot of infrastructure projects in the state and was very well connected to the people on ground. So this is a big move by Nitish Kumar, and of course a lot of people in Bihar are going to be disheartened by this development, but a new person will be leading Bihar now. Of course, JDU will be led by his son. How much support will his son be able to get is still to be seen. But this is a big news, big political scoop that we are getting you this morning. He is all set to file nomination for Rajya Sabha elections. Now, in the past many years, he has not talked about his son much. He has always remained away from the dynastic politics. All right, let's move on to another news, another global news, in fact. Fire continues.